What if I tell you you've been using Claude incorrectly? Most of us go to Claude, type our question here and pray for it to give you the answer that you're looking for. But that's not the right way to do it. This is 5% of what Claude can do for you. You can edit your videos with Claude just like I've did right here. You can actually create your Jira tickets with Claude, update your documents. You can connect to any application and then Claude does the task for you just like you would do as a human. But most of us don't know this because we go to Claude and we type our questions. You can actually create skills for Claude that it does not also, necessarily might not know about. So for example, if I type here video editing skills, so you can see I have 3 video editing skills right here. You can create an entire plugin ecosystem, for example, to manage your small business, for example, to manage your vertical like an HR plugin that has all the HR skills, connections, and so on and so forth. But you won't probably know this because you haven't really had the exposure to do it. The Claude does not do a great job in order to do this. In fact, you can even download the browser extension to automate your social media, shopping, and all sorts of things. So how do you do that? So I'm super excited to announce my 2-day workshop on Claude for Work. Now this workshop takes you from 0 or 1 to 10 when it comes to using Claude on your for your work basis. And if you're watching this video, you're probably a serious Claude user or are exploring how to integrate Claude in your day-to-day work. We have an early bird pricing going on, so if you're interested, please go ahead and sign this up. We'll build some interesting projects around co-work. I'll give you a prompt library that you can use for future. I'll give you templates, I'll give you plugins and skills that you can directly integrate and get started on day 1 itself. So very short 2-day workshop that will take you from 0 to where you need to be. So I'm super excited to have you here and I'll see you guys on the other side. Thank you so much.